Now this, I think, is a milling stone because it's very smooth right here, and it's a little bit rougher up here. So I think it was for grinding, milling. Same with this. This right here is a handle. This is very polished right here, and this is where they would, this was making contact with what they were grinding. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Here we go. Just like that. Really like the milling stones. And here's an interesting crusher. Pestle. Perfect for the finger. And that is huge. Maybe they used it as a hoe. Crusher. Grinder. Don't know. So many things. So many things to look at. Here's some Hammerstones. One of my favorite Hammerstones. And I think you can see an image. See that right here? Almost looks like an alligator or a snake. So much character to this. And the here it is. Thumb placement perfect. Finger, 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 perfect. So yeah, these I really enjoy. Interesting. I think another Hammerstone, not sure. Looks like a pestle. So these are just everywhere. Everywhere. Lots of history in these woods. Look at the horse.